saw you, I closed my eyes, and the flashback starts inside me. On the back see the party, the ball out. You make you wish to the crowd, say hello. But you are Romeo, you know it, everything I got said, me from your ear, and now why you're searching, baby, you wish for and I see Romeo, baby, somewhere in you, I'll be waiting, always such a new spot, you'll be the prince, and I'll be the princess, it's a love story, baby, just say it. So I see Jack through the garden to see you, thinking why, but the everything you propose your eyes. Take it out for a little while. Oh, 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 you are Romeo, always Scarlet Letter, it's like I said, stay from you, and you are ready to take your way, baby, you feel so far. And I say, Romeo, baby, somewhere with you, I'll be waiting, always such a good spot, you'll be the princess, I'll be the princess, it's a love story, baby, just say it, Romeo, baby, the shot of figure I can feel, the love is super good, bodies are real, and don't be afraid to figure out the reason that it's a love story, baby, just say it. Oh, oh. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were coming around, no thinking you were waiting. When I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, baby, that you're a sweet, so look, I'll keep waiting, oh, you're about to never come in my head, I know what you're thinking, never through the ground, and more than the ring inside, marry me, joy, I can never have to be alone, I love you, and that's all I wish to know, go through the dollar, you got to wonder, my story, baby, just make it, but you were so young when I first saw you. Lola! Puputok na po ang bulkan ngayon! Lumikas na po tayo! Ngayon? Sige, ikukwento ko sa inyo kung ano ang alamat ng mayon. Pero Lola! Maupo nga kayo! Hindi! Iisipahin ko kayo! Noong unang panahon, may isang napakagandang babae. Naninirahan sa nayon. Ay itatago na natin siya sa pangalang May. Lola, bakit po kailangan itago ang totoo niyang pangalan? Wanted siya? Hindi. Basta, sa sobrang ganda ni May, lahat ay umiibig sa kanya. At isa na rito ang gigante si Ayong. Walang ni May, kay Ayong, kaya pinis din ang pinaghiwalay ang kayong dalawa. Hindi kayo bagay ni Ayong. Bakit po? Dahil ba mayaman tayo at mahirap siya? Hindi. Dahil higanti siya. At may iba na kaming napiling magiging asawa mo. Sino po? Si Rumpelstiltskin. Ayoko! Ayoko! Ramdam ni Ayong ang nangyari at ayaw niya lang mabuhay pa. Kaya napabayaan niya na ang kanyang sarili. Hindi na siya naliligo at dahil doon, tinubuan siya ng pigsa. Simula noon, ang pigsa ni Ayong ay tinawag na Mayon kasi pinagsama ang May at Ayong. Oh! Diba parang pangalan ng baby? Pinagsasama yung name ng parents? Kaya huwag kayong matakot dyan sa Mayon. Pagkala ng higante yan. Tara, laro na tayo ulit ng Counter-Strike. Yeah!